Hello everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information Educational Videos. In this video, I will discuss the branch-wise cutoff for 15 best college that you can get at lower rank in COMEDK and KCET. That means you will get the cutoff for every branch that a college provides. So watch this video till the end to get all the information related to the cutoff for this 15 colleges. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe it so that you will get the information in future also. And if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section, and for many such videos check the I button as well as the description box. So let us start with the today's topic. With number 15 college, the Oxford College of Engineering. This college accept only KCET rank. That means you can't get admission in this college through your COMEDK exam. So here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For CSE, the cutoff goes to almost 22.5 thousand, and for biotechnology, the cutoff goes to almost 37,000. And for ECE, the cutoff goes to almost 40,000. For information science and engineering, the cutoff is 40,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff is 95,000. And for triple E branch, the cutoff is 1,18,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 1,34,000. For automobile engineering, the cutoff is 1,43,000. Now talk about the number 14 college, that is ACS College of Engineering. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For aerospace engineering, the cutoff is 27,000. For aeronautical engineering, the cutoff is 18.5 thousand. And for biomedical engineering, the cutoff is 33,700. And for CSE, the cutoff is 60,000. And for ECE, the cutoff is 98,000. For mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 1,38,000. And for automobile engineering, the cutoff is 1,45,000. And for civil engineering, the cutoff is also 1,45,000. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. For CSE, the cutoff goes 26,000. For aeronautical engineering, the cutoff is almost 35,000. And for ECE, the cutoff is 41,000. And for biomedical engineering, the cutoff is almost 50,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 50,000. And for triple E branch, the cutoff is 52,000. And for civil engineering, the cutoff is 56,700. Now talk about the number 13 college, it is Presidency University. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science, the cutoff is almost 50,000. And for computer and communication engineering, the cutoff is 84,000. For information and science engineering, the cutoff is 72,700. And for ECE, the cutoff is 65,000. For computer engineering, the cutoff is 88,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff is 1,21,000. For triple E branch, the cutoff is 1,44,000. And for IT, the cutoff is 1,45,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is also 1,45,000. And for petroleum engineering, the cutoff is 1,45,900. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. The CSE cutoff goes to 32,000. And for ECE, the cutoff is 51,000. And for petroleum engineering, the cutoff is 53,300. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 53,500. And for ECE, the cutoff is 54,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff is 56.5 thousand. Now talk about the 12th number college, that is AMC Engineering College. Here is the KCET cutoff. For CSE goes to 36,000. For ISE the cutoff is 61,900, and for ECE the cutoff is 65,000, and for civil engineering 94,000. For triple E branch the cutoff is 1,28,000, and for mechanical 1,45,000. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For triple E the cutoff is 43,800. For CSE cutoff is 46,000. For ISE the cutoff is 47,000. For ECE the cutoff is 52,000. For civil engineering the cutoff is 53,000 almost, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 57,000. Now talk about the number 11 college, that is Acharya Institute of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science the cutoff is almost 12,000. For ISE the cutoff is 17,000. For aeronautical engineering the cutoff is 12,650, and for ECE the cutoff is almost 16,000, and for triple E branch the cutoff is 24,000. For civil engineering the cutoff is 34,000. For biotechnology the cutoff is 23,000, and for mechanical 31,000. For automobile engineering cutoff is 47,000. For mining engineering the cutoff is 84,600. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For CSE the cutoff is 11,000, and for ISE the cutoff is 15,000. For ECE the cutoff is 18,000. For aeronautical engineering the cutoff is 22,000. For triple E branch the cutoff is 31,000. For biotechnology 31,000. For mechanical 35. For civil 48, and for automobile engineering the cutoff is 51,400. Now talk about the number 10 college, that is Global Academy of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For ISE branch the cutoff is 18,500. For CSE 16,000. For ECE 22,000, and for triple E 31,500. For civil engineering 58,000, and for mechanical 55,000. Now the Comet K cutoff for CSE is 20,000. For ISE 23,000. For ECE almost 30,000. For mechanical 37, and for triple E 42, and for civil 57. Now talk about the number 9 college, that is CMR Institute of Technology. The KCET cutoff for CSE goes to 9100. For ISE the cutoff is 15,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 16,600, and for triple E the cutoff is 31,800. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 41,500, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 49,500. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. The computer science engineering cutoff for Comet K goes to 6,600, and for ISE the cutoff is 8,700. For ECE the cutoff is 11,500, and for triple E almost 18,000. For mechanical 21,000. For telecommunication engineering the cutoff is 22,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 33,900. Now talk about the number 8 college, that is MBJ College of Engineering. It also accepts only KCET rank. The cutoff for KCET for CSE goes to almost 16,000. For aeronautical engineering 19,400. For ISE the 19,454, and for ECE 26,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 65,000. For mechanical 67,000. For chemical 44,000, and for triple E branch the cutoff is almost 42,000. Now talk about the number 7 college, that is JSS Academy of Technological Education. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science the cutoff is 7,600, and for ISE 10,600. For ECE 11,600. For mechanical 32,000. For electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is almost 40,000. For civil engineering 31,700, and for industrial engineering and management the cutoff is 73,200. Now the Comet K cutoff for CSE is 7,100. For ISE 8900, for ECE 12,200, for mechanical 29,300, and for civil the cutoff is 36,500. Now talk about the number 6 college, that is Dr. Ambedkar Institute. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science the cutoff is almost 7,000, for ECE 10,700, for ISE 11,500, and for EEE branch the cutoff is 16,700. For telecommunication engineering the cutoff is 26,000, for mechanical 24,000, for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 32,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 23,600, and for industry engineering and management the cutoff is 45,500. For medical electronics the cutoff is 20,000. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. For CSE the cutoff is 12,159, for ISE the cutoff is 13,740, for ECE 15,500, for mechanical 23,944, and for medical electronics the cutoff is 26,600. For civil engineering the cutoff is 34,400. Now talk about the number 5 college, that is Malnad College of Engineering. Here is the KCET cutoff. For ECE goes to 10,000, for EEE 17,000, for CSE 13,000, for ISE 17,000, for civil engineering 22,000, for mechanical engineering 27,000, for automobile engineering the cutoff is 47,800, for industrial production engineering the cutoff is 54,000, and for instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 34,500. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. It accepts only one branch through COMEDK, that is information and science engineering, and the cutoff for this goes to 44,800. Now talk about the number 4 college, that is KLE Technological University. Here is the KCET cutoff. For computer science goes to 5,100, and for ECE 7,600, for mechanical 16,000, for biotechnology 18,000, for electrical engineering 12,000, for civil engineering 17,959, and for robotics and automation engineering 14,000. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. For CSE the cutoff goes to 19,760, for ISE the cutoff is almost 40,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 46,700, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 56,000, and for mechanical it is also 56,800. Now talk about the number 3 college, it is RNS Institute of Technology. The KCET cutoff for computer science goes to 4,300, and for ECE 7,000, for ISE 6,500, for EEE 14,000, for civil engineering 21,000, and for instrumentation engineering 19,500, for mechanical engineering 23,000. Now the COMEDK cutoff for this college. For CSE goes to almost 10,000, for ISE the cutoff is 16,800, for ECE 22,700, and for EEE 44,000, and for mechanical 51,000, and for civil it is 57,000. Now talk about the number 2 college, that is SDM College of Engineering. Here is the KCET cutoff. For CSE goes to 10,200, for ECE 12,000, for electrical engineering the cutoff is 16,400, for ISE 14,000, for civil almost 22,000, for mechanical 21,400, and for chemical the cutoff is 21,400. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. The chemical engineering cutoff goes to 47,400, for CSE 47,600, for EEE 48,000, for mechanical 50,000, for ISE 51,000, for ESE. For ECE the cutoff is 51,000, for civil engineering the cutoff is 57,000. Now talk about the number one college at lower rank is Siddhgama Institute of Technology. The KCET cutoff for computer science goes to 4600 and for ECE 6300, for ISE 6900, for Triple E 9600, for civil engineering 14,000, for telecommunication engineering 12,600, for instrumentation electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 15,000, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 16,700, for chemical 19,000, for industrial engineering and management cutoff is 26,900, and for biotechnology the cutoff is 15,700. Now the COMEDK cutoff for this college is for CSC 8900, for ISC 14,600, for EC 20,000, for telecommunication engineering almost 36,000, and for Triple E the cutoff is 37,000, and for industrial engineering and management the cutoff is 45,000, and for chemical engineering the cutoff is 47,000, for biotechnology the cutoff is 52,400, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 53,472, for mechanical 54,600, and for civil the cutoff is 56,017 rank. So that's it about the cutoff for 15 best college that you can get at lower rank. Hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also get the information. My next video will be on the 3 branch cutoff, that is CSC, IT and EC for the top 25 colleges under COMEDK. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.